this fair, we come to here many years, from maybe 10 years, more 10 years before. And this is a good fair.
We are visiting the show here in Bangladesh because we see Bangladesh very much as an emerging market in technical wear.
Main thing about the Bangladesh market is that the market has a really good potentials and they are the really good export business.
স্ক্রিন প্রিন্ট টোটাল জেনারেশনটা আসলে ডিজিটালে কনভার্ট হচ্ছে। যেই পণ্যগুলো আগে পাকিস্তান এবং ইন্ডিয়া থেকে ইম্পোর্ট হতো, এখন এগুলা বাংলাদেশেই আমাদের ফ্যাক্টরিগুলা বাংলাদেশে এগুলা করছেন এবং অত্যন্ত উন্নত মানের মেশিন, আমাদের এনকেটি ব্র্যান্ডের মেশিন ব্যবহার করে করছেন।
We see the industry growing rapidly and people concentrating more because they realise that more technical outerwear is needed to compete on a global level.
And Bangladesh market is very good for us and export garments many to the other countries. So we are also very interested come to here to develop our business with all of the buying here.
As it grows, we grow.
So I can develop my business also along with them over here, large scale.
But we do that in partnership. So we're looking for strong ties that will last and give us more of a market that we're able to compete in against other countries.
It was a good textile fair for us. We planned every year to attend, and the service we received from CEMS-Global is so great for us.